Welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. Today we are going to do hot plate tofu. It's basically egg tofu cooked with some sauces and chicken and vegetable. It's a one pot dish. Now let's look at the ingredients needed. This is 2 tubes of egg tofu. You can get this in any supermarket. Little bit of carrot and Snowpeas. 1 Chilli Padi and little bit of spring onion. 1 boneless chicken breast. 4 garlic chopped finely. Little bit of ginger and 1 small onion chopped finely. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. 2 eggs beaten. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This is basically to thicken the sauce. For the sauce component, just now I showed you 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So I'm going to add in the sesame oil. The dark soya sauce, as well as the light soya sauce. Mix everything together. Okay. Now let's look at how to do hot plate tofu. Okay, now we're going to deep fry the egg tofu. Okay, it has to be fried till golden brown. Okay. Be careful when you drop in the tofu to the hot oil. Sometimes it can splatter back. Okay, we have now fried the tofu to golden brown. We're going to take it out. After this, we are next going to make the sauce component. Heating up about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add in the onion, garlic and the ginger. Okay, give it a quick stir fry. Okay, now we're going to add in the chicken. I'm doing a halal version of the hot plate tofu, but you can add in pork if you would like to. Go ahead. You can cut the pork into big pieces, or you can mince it, or even for this chicken, you can use a minced chicken as well. It's totally up to you. Some would like to, also add in prawn or squid or even fish cake. That is also possible. Now I'm going to add in the vegetables, which is the Snowpeas as well as the carrots. Since we have cut the carrot into small pieces, they will cook very fast. Now we're going to add in the 1 Chilli Padi as well as half the spring onions. The remaining half is to add on later when we are pouring everything on the hot plate. Give it a quick stir. Now I'm going to pour in all the sauce. If you notice, you're not adding in any salt over here because all the oyster sauce, dark soya sauce, the light soya sauce, everything has no salt component in it. Give it a quick stir. Then we're going to add in about 1 cup of water. Now I'm going to pour in the corn flour slurry inside. This is to thicken the sauce. Okay, so we let this boil for a minute until the sauce thickens. Then we're going to keep it aside. Then we come back with the hot plate. Okay, this is a hot plate. I have already put in oil, and right now we are smearing the oil on the hot plate. We're going to make it very, very hot. You can find this hot plate in Shopee, Lazada. Basically, need not just use for hot plate tofu. You can use it for like any dishes. Just creativity. You just need to use your creativity, and you can come up with any hot plate seasoning dishes. Now let's wait for the hot plate to get hot. We really need it to be super hot before we can put the rest of the ingredients on top. Going to pour in the egg. I don't want it to be fully cooked, slightly, to be set, that's all. Okay, as you can see, it bubbles. We wait for a while. Okay, the egg is almost cooked. We're going to add in the tofu on top. Now I'm going to add in the sauce on top. We want the sizzling effect. Can you see the sizzling effect? Yes. We want it to be hot, sizzling. Now after you do this, you should immediately have your dinner or your lunch, because it's supposed to have the sizzling effect. See? Doesn't this look great and delicious? Now let's garnish it with a little bit of spring onions, and yes, we are done. Keep watching Bunny's Kitchen or Bunny's Samayalare as in my Instagram account. Keep subscribing to us. Stay healthy, stay safe, and have a good day, guys.